Well, hey guys, I'm on the Mariner of the Seas. We're fixing to go check out the Mariner Dunes miniature golf course. I'm on deck 12. They're up the stairs on deck 13, so let's go check it out. Looks like there's a lot of chairs up here. See out the ocean. Don't look like many people up here though. It's kind of hid back here. Yeah, it looks like a nice little golf course. Kind of do a little walk around. Mariner Dunes.
Bob, you did the first one wrong.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Hey, if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy cruising.